Hello and welcome to day 41 of Bedtime Welsh. Hello. Another new word for you today. Oh no, it's not. It's a new structure, so that might be fun. So you remember to ask, hopefully, from yesterday. That was gofyn. So to ask me in Welsh, you say in a slightly different way. You say gofyn I mi. So gofyn I mi is ask me. So ask me.
Gofyn I mi.
Gofyn I mi. Now, when you say to ask me something, in English you put the something at the end of the sentence. In Welsh you don't, you stick it in the middle. So have a go at that. To ask me something.
Gofyn rhywbeth I mi.
Gofyn rhywbeth I mi. So you put the rhywbeth, the something, in the middle of the gofyn I mi. And that gave you gofyn rhywbeth I mi. So that'll feel a little odd for you at first, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it in the end. And if you say gofyn I mi rhywbeth, people will understand you fine. So no need to worry about it. Okay, next up, let's try if you ask me something.
Os ti'n gofyn rhywbeth I mi.
Os wyt ti'n gofyn rhywbeth I mi. So that same structure, stick the rhywbeth in the middle. Os wyt ti'n gofyn rhywbeth I mi. Okay, are you asking me? Are you asking me?
Wyt ti'n gofyn I mi.
Wyt ti'n gofyn I mi. You see, if Baino can get confused with it, we can all get confused with it, so it's fine when you get confused with it. Okay, wyt ti'n gofyn I mi. How about, do you want to ask me?
Wyt ti isio gofyn I mi.
Wyt ti isio gofyn I mi. And now, the big one to end with, do you want to ask me something?
Wyt ti isio gofyn rhywbeth I mi.
Wyt ti isio gofyn rhywbeth I mi. So it's a slightly odd structure. You might want to run through this one a couple of times, but don't worry about it. You'll get the hang of it in the end. Okay, hwyl am y tro. See you tomorrow. Bye.